Hi, I'm Kevin Mccane. I'm an attorney with Erwin, Mccane and Daly of Albany, New York. We represent injured workers before the New York State Workers' Compensation Board for injuries suffered on the job. You're eligible for workers' compensation benefits if you're an employee of an employer who suffers an on-the-job injury. One of the requirements is that you're an employee and you're controlled by an employer in the work that's being performed. If you're an independent contractor, you're not covered under the workers' compensation law. You have to have your own insurance, but most people who are injured at work, when you're working for someone else who's directing and controlling your work, are covered under workers' compensation, and your employer is required to have insurance. If they don't have insurance, then we have an uninsured employers fund in New York that covers you. So you have to report your injury to your employer. The law says you're supposed to do that within 30 days in writing. But if you verbally report the injury to your employer, that's sufficient. You should report it as soon as possible after the injury, and then you have to file your claim with the Workers' Compensation Board within 2 years. After you report the injury, you need to go to a medical provider and have them document where you were working, what happened, and what your injuries were in order to have the proper medical evidence to get your case covered.